Hello everyone, welcome back to By the Official. Today I'm going to show you how to cancel subscription on ChatGPT when you tried to claim or offer or free offer of 1 month, and we want to cancel without any charges on your card, Mastercard, Visa card, or PayPal. So welcome back to By the Official, and we are going to start. Please, first of all, click on like, subscribe on my YouTube channel, and after video we will share this video if helpful. Thank you so much. So now you open your ChatGPT by using your computer or your mobile phone, and coming in your profile and click on settings. After click on settings, you will see many options, and come back here and click on account. After click on account, come here and click on manage, and after click on manage, you will see upgrade plan and cancel subscription. When you cancel, your subscription will continue to benefit your account, but when the time reaches, you will not be charged money off. Or you claimed or you subscribed for free trial 1 month. Click on cancel. Yes. After click on cancel, you will see switch to ChatGPT Go for only 8. You will see like this: keep expand message or image creation and what. Here you click on no thanks. Then they ask you, do you want to cancel? If you cancel your subscription now, your past access will end on June 8, 2026. Any discount applied will be removed and can't be used again. So now we're going to click on what? To click on cancel. After click on cancel, you wait. Yes, you wait, and they will ask some questions. Why are you canceling your subscription? Switch to another too expensive and what. But here, if you do click on to it is expensive, high expensive, and continue to next page. For the also click on next, and then continue without answering. A free version. After cancelling, do you like should you click on extremely or very likely, and they click on next. And after, are you planning to use a another AI or what? No, it's still deciding whether to use another. I'm not planning to use another AI. It is the best option, and click next. Yes, now we have cancelled our subscription. Yes. You see here, yes. See here, there is renew plus. No any subscription is there. Yes, and then click on plus. Now we have been cancelled subscription on ChatGPT. Thank you so much to watch this video. If it is helpful, please subscribe this video on this channel and like on this video and share with your friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. God bless you.
By the Official, source of technology and education. Subscribe and stay connected.